right? This propulsion system can be used in defense research and also space propulsions because what happens is I ionize the air. There's normal air and I ionize the air to bring out the electrons out, and the positive atoms that are there that constitute a big plasma. That plasma, when flown over this negative electrode, generates wind. Now this wind is cold plasma. Okay, so this cold plasma then creates a wind that's about 9 millinewtons to 10 millinewtons, which is sufficient enough to propel a spacecraft in space, as well as for defense research purposes also. The main idea of this is to create silent propulsion and also a stealthy propulsion, which is on the terms of cold plasma. So it's not detectable on IR radars as well, right? And since this does not have any moving parts, you can't. It stays longer and its longevity increases. I'll just show you the example of it. So here you can see the airflow of it. So that's the airflow that I'm generating over this. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. That's it. So the future applications of these products include, placing it on the wingtips of the gliders to make human-powered flight, as well as in the defense research also.